So please, how many of you not attended Sunday workshop of this offline? You? What about others? Two, three? No, no, wait, online. Let me check with offline. Only three members, sir. Remaining, yeah. So, yeah, yeah. But this time I'll share the recording. Next time onwards. Next time onwards, please attend the sessions. Even next time also I'll share the recording. But if you follow only recording, you may not get it 100%. Attend a live session plus recording is helpful. Yeah. So let's go to here. I'm inside of so my Node.js applications, yesterday Python application. See how to deploy only I'm explaining here. Yeah, sure. I will share. Okay. So now here, if I want, okay, if I want to deploy Node.js application, if I want to run Node.js application, my Node.js should be there. Right? Install Node first. So Node.js should be there. So I should install Node.js. You can follow any document. Node.js install process on Amazon Linux, etc. Yeah, simple command. Let me run it below. Yeah, okay. Okay. Using DNF. So these are package managers. M also package manager, DNF also package manager. So you can follow this process also to install by using curl or wget, and you can do this process also or simply install DNF install also. Okay. Not repeat this big process. So node hyphen b npm hyphen b. Perfect. Then commit the changes. You just run this command only. Sudo dnf install hyphen my node.js will be installed. Clear now? Till here. What is npm here? So in Python we have a pip, right? Package manager. So here npm in Node.js, Node package manager. Okay. To download any packages, we have a Node package manager in Node.js. In Python, in, in Java we have a Maven npm. We'll discuss in the Java time. So main code in Python we can write app.py. Here index.js in Node.js. Index.js. In Python, dependencies we can add in which file? Requirement.txt. In Java, package.json. Okay, these are the different things. Okay, let me clone my code. So how to clone? Just click here, git clone command only. Before that, I should install M, right? By the way, Nginx processor working? Yeah, my end issue is there. Have you tried load balancing? What you guys are doing here Saturday, Sundays? Why always blank faces? What you are doing Saturday, Sundays? I don't know what's going on here. Maybe you are in the trouble in coming days if you have not practiced. So here package.json is where we can add a dependencies like a requirement.txt. Package lock JSON is to enable a locking for versionings in Node.js. So for example, if I install one package MySQL 8.0 dependencies I have installed. Here package.lock JSON will apply MySQL 8.0 is locking. So version locking. Always when you run multiple times same project, it will take MySQL 8.0 only, not updated version. Okay, that's that purpose. Index.js is a main code. Like a Python app.py is there, right? Index.js is a main code here. PI index.js. This is main. So I'm just giving a small content here. Welcome to DevOps training only. It's running on which port number? 80. You can change if required also. So this process also you can run inside Nginx. Okay. So the first process, code is ready, dependency file is there. If you can see, I think no dependencies is required for this process. Just we are not using any framework. Go to here, ls va package.json. Okay. So now if you can see guys, inside package.json, node index.js command is there. Understand? It will run the your script. Package.json call the dependencies and run the your script. Understand? My script file is what? Index.js. Yeah. So no dependencies anyway. So in this file, but in my project I will show the dependencies. This is basic code, first focusing on how to work with Node.js only. Okay? Yeah. So now the first process is any process, any application deployment process. First we should install environment, right? Node.js environment already ready, right? In Python, if you install a Python, if you want to work with Python, first Python should be there, pip should be there. My end also, Node is already ready. Next is what? NPM also ready. Node and NPM both are ready. Next is what? You can run your code. Before that, what should you do? Install if any dependencies is there. What is the command in Python? Pip install -r requirement.txt. Here, see the process. npm build. npm install or npm build. If you run npm install command, sorry, if you run npm install command, it will call the dependencies from repository. Python repository name is what? pypi.org, right? Dependencies will be installed. Now you can start the process. How to run the code? npm start. So your application is started now. But it is interacted, right? Interacted to your server. But if I give Control C, it will be exit the process, right? So copy. You know the Linux command, right? We can check the ps ops command by giving a grep. So we can see the process ID, whether it is running or not. Okay. Linux is clear somewhat. Now, no fear, right? Yeah. You don't worry. Coming days, you complete. Just wait. Huh? Okay, guys. If you can see the response, we can see right here in the Node.js. So here we need to focus not on code, this deploy process. Understand? Install Node.js, install dependencies, start the process. Clear what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Now, first step is what, guys? Install the background environment. Install Node.js is the step number one. Next step is what? Install dependencies. Next is what? Start the process. Even Python also same. There we are using pip. Here we are using npm. The difference. Clear now? Okay. Now I need to. So for example, if I give Control C command, what will happen? Process will kill. Even you can see after some time. Again, not after some time. Immediately see. This is still clear now. So we are using guys here, for example, PM2. PM2 process for Node.js. Benefits if we, the benefit is I'm writing here. Understand? Node.js process manager PM2 we are using. What about Python? That's what you need to do research always. PMT is installing now. Okay, now you can start the application through PMT. PM to start. See, application is going to start by PM to now. Process manager is taking care. So PM to start in index.js. I'm giving my process name is Node app. You can give any name, no problem. Copy. So now before I directly started, right? npm start. Now PM to start. Process manager I'm using to start the application. So let's give now. See started, right? See it is showing that online. Your application is online. Now it is not interact to your server, right? Still. Now you can access. Clear now? So automatically the background process will take care. Ensure this application always running. Okay. So for example, you can stop this process also. PM to stop. Stop it, right? See, PMT stopped your application. Now unable to access. Now you can check PM2 status. Process manager status is what? Stop. So let's start now. Online now, right? NoHub is Linux command, not process manager. Here also you can run NoHub command. Python also same. Python also kind of process is there. You can do research. Something Unicon is there, so you can go through this. Okay. Same. How I'm going to start. Supervisor is there. Yes, supervisor also there. Python. You can take help from ChatGPT. Just we no need to go in deep dive. What and all processes are there? Just we can understand. For example, a developer is saying I'm using PM to start something. What is PM to? If you ask this question, is not good, right? So just we can understand what and all processes are there only. No need to go in deep. What about Python? Like that, you need to do R&D. So we can use PM2 for Python also. See the benefits is what? Auto restart, runs in the background. Yeah, view logs, ensure script run after reboot also. After reboot, automatically script will start. You no need to start. But here, without process manager, if you reboot now, again you can log in the server. Again you can start npm node.js. But PM to automatically restart the process. These are the benefits. Clear Node.js process? These are the features. Okay, go for. Okay, so PM also clear right now. So let's get started now. The one process, Grafana Prometheus. Okay, is a new one. Grafana Prometheus is monitoring tool for metrics. For example, you can see here also metrics. You no need to use any third-party tool, but still a better view we can see third-party tool, free, open source. Now we are going to focus on monitoring. Okay, I can see metrics means what here? Metrics means the CPU, network input output, RAM. These under all comes under metrics. So metrics is different, logs is different. Don't confuse. Logs is related to your application. Metrics is related to your server. Clear? Enlarge the screen. You can see from here also. Okay. So this time inside my server, I have installed dependencies and all it is reached to max. Now again, if you start multiple times, this will increase. So let's check 1 second also here. Now your load is here. Last 1 second. Okay, like this you can change last 5 seconds and all. Clear now how to check the metrics in CloudWatch, CPU and all. Okay. So can we implement the alarm system for CPU? I have already discussed right. SNS time. So that you can again one more time you can have a look how to enable alarm system for this max. We have to take care of CPU utilization only. Many are there, but almost based on this only here will be updated. So this is main important. Clear now? So here now you can refresh again. You can see even metrics. So this is the graph. You can see the graph. You can go to 1 minute. here line is there, right? You can click on this, you can see the load. The max load is what? 11%. Clear? 11%. Now you can go to here line, you can change numbers. Present load is 4%. Clear? Like this you can go bar. See, you can see. If you want to check different strategies to check it load. Clear now? Yeah. This is average 1 minute. Can we enable multiple servers at a time? Multiple servers inside same application or different application? Same application means we can easily configure. Different applications means we have to create a different alarms. Same application means we can give auto scaling creation time. All servers will take. Okay. So clear how to check the metrics under CloudWatch. So your server is reached. So the set point, what we can do, you can come and check the metrics first. What is the load of CPU? Okay. Suppose, tell me, suppose 10 different servers are there. 10 different servers. How you can configure same alarm for suppose 10 different servers? Huh? One server inside one application is running. One server inside different application. One alarm, what will happen? Not possible, right? Not good, right? Yeah, like CPU memory only I'm saying that. CPU memory when it will change based on your application performance inside. 10 are different. How you can create one alarm for all instances? If 9 server inside, good CPU, good RAM. But 8 server is more CPU, more RAM. The 8 server will trigger or not? So here we can understand for this application how many servers are required. If one server reach to max load, I need one more server. For this application again, different server we can discuss different way again. Different servers means different application means different alarms, not same alarms, right? This is UTC time zone, okay? Take care. So CloudWatch, this is a metric story. Okay. Now I want to say something here regarding this matrix. So guys, here I'm able to see so many metrics, right? Many metrics, for example, yeah, S3. In S3, what kind of metrics are there, Max? In EC2, CPU RAM is there. Okay, in S3, what kind of metrics are there? Huh? Storage limit. Yeah, very good. Click on the storage metrics. I can see number of objects metrics are there. If you want to enable any process now, that metric should be exist here. For example, if you want to enable number of objects, something, the number of object metric should be there inside. Then only you can enable anything. Understand? For example, my S3, if number of objects are more than 100, it should give a alert. In this case, your end that metric is there or not. Number of objects you should check first. Yeah, number of objects are there. Then you can enable number of metrics, number of objects metric alert for your S3. Understand? Metrics are what? Data points. Simple data points to enable any further process for the respective service. Now S3, there is no data point for number of objects. Not possible to enable any alarm. Clear? Right? From EC2, how many data points are there? You can see these many points are there for EC2. So let's click on all. Let's go to EC2. So these many metrics are there in EC2. Per instance metrics, if you can go, you can see CPU utilization. Now this is your instance ID already there here. So if you want to enable CPU utilization, your instance ID, yes, CPU utilization is there. You can enable CPU utilization. If CPU utilization is not there here metrics, you are unable to call any alarm for CPU utilization. Clear the metrics? Yeah. Oh, is it? Meeting recording in progress. Huh? Okay. Clear? What is metrics here? So in this case, we are using here third party tool also. For example, guys, my end 100 servers are there. To check 100 server CPU load, 100 servers RAM, is it difficult or not here? So come here and check here each EC2 instance, load and all. It's too difficult task, right? Log in and check, click on the EC2 instance, open the EC2 instance and come to here CPU and check. It's a too difficult task. But here we need a one dashboard. The dashboard, by changing the instance ID, we can easily check the load of the server. And I can see list of number of servers load. No need to log in AWS account. This kind of process, if you want to enable, we can go for third party tools. So here, if you want to give this task to someone to check a CPU load, you have to share the credentials to them, right or not? But if you configure any third party dashboard for this account, you no need to no need to give your credentials. Give that configuration endpoint only. They can access that endpoint, they can check the load. Understand? So in this case, still I'm talking about metrics, not CloudWatch logs. So in this time, we can use a third-party tools, Grafana, Prometheus. What is Grafana, Prometheus? So these two are different tools, but two will work and give a one dashboard. Okay. For example, this is my server. Okay. So EC2. So first launch instance also there. Yeah. So from here, I'm going to start the install. Correct, correct, correct. Okay, I have given for Ubuntu server. Okay, I need to change it into this and all. Okay, let me create a one Ubuntu server.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್
It
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
should
ಒಮ್ಮೆ
change.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ
So this
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು
is clear, right?
ಇದು
Node.js
ಮತ್ತೆ
process and all.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
So
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು
PM test started the process.
ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ
So it is giving still online.
ನಾನೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ
Is it possible to change AMI? Linux to Ubuntu? Huh? Is it possible to change? Changing OS is possible for my server. You can let me know tomorrow.
ಅರ್ಬಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದು
No, right? Yeah. So I'm taking Ubuntu T2 Micro. And one more question. Okay, be honest again. If you're not honest to your trainer, you may trouble. How many of you follow IPL over to over? Say, be honest. No, huh? Only highlights, huh? Next question is, my next question is that I'm following only last. How do you know last over? No. See, you can watch a cricket, no problem. But don't addict that. We have a goal right now. After you get a success, na, after you get a job, yes, in company itself you can see, no problem. No one will. Yeah, in between. So be careful. Huh? If you are busy with IPL, no need to say right next. These 2 months are very important for you. These 2 months IPL also there. Every day is there. That's what I'm asking. If it is a World Cup, I see one day only, right? Final. But IPL is every day. Never ending story, 2 months completely. So please, guys, you can see, at least you can see, but complete the task. If you have a time to complete a task and watch the cricket, yes, you can go ahead. But without completing the task, without doing practice, if you addict to cricket, IPL now, then simply okay. Let's go to the document. Okay, let's install one by one. This is install process. The installation process will change OS to OS, and we have a different methods to install. So installation process we can see like installation, how this command will work, who will create this command. If you think it's very difficult, installation process we have a hundred methods. Okay, see, I'm going to
Pretty much.
update the OS. I'm running apt get method. Next is what I'm using here, adding a repository and running a wget command. Once package will be installed, you can run. Again, apt get update is not required. Anyway, run and install Grafana. Now I'm using apt get install Grafana only. But you may get it out. Before also can run. No. Before these packages are not there inside the apt default package manager. That's what by using wget we are calling. And again I'm running by using apt get install. Okay. After install Grafana, we have to be start the Grafana process, Prometheus process. Clear now till here? Okay. Just installation process only. Now I'm going to start the Grafana and enable Grafana. Service start process. Okay, let's go for next Prometheus also installation process. Same. So package already installed right before. I'm using now again apt install Prometheus. Going to start Prometheus. Clear now? Okay. Next, I'm going to install stress command. You know what is stress? Increase the load on. Yeah, EC2. For example, I can verify the load, right, by running a stress command. Stress, we are increasing the stress on server so that we can check the metrics wantedly. To checking purpose only stress. Real time don't install stress. Application will create already stress. Here no load. That's what I'm adding a load. Don't say this point in your interview. Okay, Grafana we can access by using 3000 port. Okay, this is Grafana dashboard. Okay, so let's go for the credentials admin. After that you can change. So here you can enable a new password. Default password you can change. Submit. So this is Grafana
ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ
dashboard.
ಎಚ್ ಪಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು
Okay,
ಎರಡು ದಿನ
let's go to the document. So Prometheus also.
ಆ ರೇಟ್
Prometheus
ಹೆಂಗೆ
is
ಹೇಳಿ
running 9090. Copy.
ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎರಡು ದಿನ 3 ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಮಾರೋ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಮೆ
This is Prometheus dashboard. Grafana.
ಇಂಜಿನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾರೋ ಹೋಯ್ತು
If you want to run in the
ಇದೊಂದು
Prometheus, na guys, you can run this
3
command. Just sample, I'm saying that. So present it is giving your load is 1.33. See, I have given the query here. The CPU load of this server. Localhost means
ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್
Prometheus also running same server. So localhost, what is the load of my CPU? It is giving 1.33. So this dashboard is not good,
ಟೈಮ್ ತೋಲ್ ಟೈಮ್
right
ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ
or not? So
ಇಟ್ಟೇ ಹೊಡೆದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
you can run query here also to check the load. But Prometheus will run a query and give to Grafana to UI method, user interface method. See, like here. But now Grafana dashboard need to configure the Prometheus load, right or not? In this case, go to here, go to dashboards.
ಇಬ್ರು ಬರ್ಬಾರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ
Here click on import. Here you can select. These are already existing IDs. So the background each ID will give a different view, different user interface. Okay. So let's go and select here.
ಇದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಿಡಿಲ್ಲ
I'm giving. Okay. Before that, wait.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತರ್ಸಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ
We can add a data source. Even source where it is connection, I think. Yeah. Data source. Add a data source. My data source is what?
ತೋರ್ಸೋದು ಟಮಾಟೋ
Prometheus. Clear one? So you can add a data source as a Prometheus. See?
ತೊಡಿ ನೀರು
Click on the Prometheus.
ನೀರಾಗಿ ತೊಡಿ
Okay. Added. So here what should I do? Enter my, yeah. So this is also fine, localhost also fine, or you can change, if you want to change here, you can give
ఏం
the
చపాతీ ఉన్నాయా
IP of the Prometheus. Copy, go to here, like this. Clear now? Here also we can do. After that, save and test. Successfully queried with Prometheus API. So Grafana Prometheus is configured. Clear or not? Next, you can start dashboard process, import and select and something, whatever it is. Okay, let's go to connection is done, right? Grafana to Prometheus connection is done. Next, go to here. Now, dashboards, demo port. So here you can select any number, and here you can load. Okay,
ఏం
so
పడుతుంది
here
పద్దిన
source is what? Prometheus import. Clear now? So this is the present load on your server. So you can see node means what? One EC2. Node means EC2. Host EC2 localhost 9200. Calling here. So now I can see CPU load, system load, and you can see last 24 hours, right? You can see last 5 minutes. The load is very less, right? You can see like this. Lot of things. Refresh every 1 minute, automatically refresh this dashboard as per the law. So now what I can do, simply I can give this endpoint to whoever monitor this. They can check, they can, no need to log in, right? In AWS console to check the monitoring load, they can see this. Clear now? Yeah, see, understand guys, installation process is one time process. Manual or Terraform you can do. Never use. But one thing you need to understand, my and 100 servers are there, for example. 100 servers inside installation process is too difficult. So we are using Ansible. The demo step I discussed right already. Ansible is a configuration management tool. If you want to install one agent into multiple servers, we can use Ansible. Now tell me guys one thing. Already Grafana Prometheus is already installed right now. If I take a AMI now, if I take a AMI, the next server inside Grafana Prometheus will be there or not? Do it now today. Let me know there or not. If it will be there, if it will be there, any questions? Let me increase the load by using. We have install stress also, right? So yeah, let's run this command. Run these two commands. Okay. So I'm increasing this 512 MB bytes, CPU 1, timeout is 60. We can see. Remove last 5 minutes to, oh, only 5 minutes from there. Wait for 5 minutes. See increasing now, slowly. Yeah, this is server IP, local host. One server only, right? So your and multiple servers are there now. By changing the server IP, you can select the load. Understand? See, 80.9%. Stress. This is called stress. means we have to create a dedicated Grafana. Yeah, yeah, correct. See, we are not supposed to give your cloud credentials to everyone. Monitoring team just monitor the load. You can give this endpoint to them. Now tell me this is public IP or private IP? But always should run on private, right? Then how to give? 100% load already done. See, don't use my website. Simply what we can do? Can you instead of server, yeah, load balancer only. Route 53 is not allowed traffic to private server. So this private server you can create a load balancer and give the load balancer endpoint to this. Understand? Or we can do one thing. We can do one more thing. These are interesting concepts. See, you need to research, guys. Okay, see, I'm going to explain one a good one. Huh?